Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Wix. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then you need to make sure you've already opened myshopify.com and have already logged in to your account as well. Once you are in your internet browser, you are going to search in the search bar how to connect Shopify to Wix. And then in here, click on the first link that appears in the searches. Now wait for the website to finish loading. In here, I will be reading you the step-by-step process, and then all you have to do is follow along my voiceover so that you will be guided whenever you are going to be doing it. In here, first, when you appear to the website, all you have to do is scroll down. We are going to be looking for the step-by-step process that is in detail. Now here are steps to set up Wix Shopify integration. Now to start this one, on step number 1 is to create a Shopify buy button and copy the embedded HTML code. Now the first step in setting up Wix Shopify integration is to log into your Shopify account to create a Shopify buy button and follow the procedures mentioned below. The first procedure is to go to your Shopify admin page and click on Create Buy Button to create a buy button for the product or collection you want to sell on Wix as shown below. It's data, models, prediction, and actual. And over here, the next step is to select and copy the HTML embedded code for the buy button as shown below. Now store the copied HTML embedded codes in a code editor or directly into the Wix website editor to keep them safe. Now we're going to be proceeding to step number 2. Select the Wix website where you want to add Shopify buy button. In here, you need to log into your Wix account as shown below. Then, go to the My Site section and select the site you want to update as shown below. And then click on Edit Site to modify your website as shown below. Next is, we're going to be going over to step number 3. Step number 3 says, add the embedded HTML code and update it. Once you have selected the Wix website where you want to add the Shopify buy button, now you need to add the copied embedded HTML code to your Wix website by following the procedures mentioned below. First procedure, select the plus button on your Wix website editor and then choose More as shown below. The next step is to select the HTML code that you previously copied in step 1. And then select the enter code. Now the next step would be paste the HTML code of your buy buttons in the Add Your Code Here section of the HTML settings window, then click Update as shown below. Now step 4 is to complete the setup of Wix Shopify integration. Once you have updated your Wix website with the HTML code for the Shopify buy button, you may now click on Save. With this, you have successfully set up your Wix Shopify integration. It is as simple as that. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.